Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to make money online through some side hustles. In this video, I will be sharing with you 6 boring side hustles that can actually pay you up to $5,000 a month. Sounds exciting, right? But before we dive in, let me introduce myself. I am an online money-making and YouTube expert, and today I will be sharing with you some of the most accurate and detailed information about side hustles. So, let's get started. Side hustle number 1. The first side hustle that can make you some serious money is seal coating. Now, this may not seem like the most exciting job in the world, but it's actually a very lucrative business. If you're not familiar with seal coating, it's essentially a process of applying a protective layer to asphalt surfaces to prevent damage from weather and other factors. As more and more people are buying homes, the demand for seal coating services is on the rise. With the right tools and skills, you can easily make $5,000 a month or more. Side hustle number 2. The second side hustle is window cleaning. This may seem like an obvious choice, but window cleaning is a lot more than just wiping glass. A good window cleaner can make a lot of money by offering a range of services, such as power washing, gutter cleaning, and even holiday lighting installation. With some marketing skills and the right equipment, you can easily make $5,000 a month or more. Side hustle number 3. The third side hustle is gutter cleaning. Just like window cleaning, gutter cleaning may not seem like the most exciting job in the world, but it's a necessary task for homeowners. If you're good at working with your hands and don't mind getting dirty, gutter cleaning can be a great way to make some extra cash. With a little bit of marketing, you can easily make $5,000 a month or more. Side hustle number 4. The fourth side hustle is lawn aeration. This is a service that most homeowners don't even know they need, but it's actually very important for maintaining a healthy lawn. Lawn aeration involves poking small holes in the soil to allow air, water, and nutrients to reach the roots of the grass. With some basic tools and marketing skills, you can easily make $5,000 a month or more. Side hustle number 5. The fifth side hustle is holiday lighting. This may seem like a seasonal job, but it can actually be a year-round business. People are willing to pay a lot of money to have their homes decorated for the holidays, and with some creative marketing, you can easily make $5,000 a month or more. Side hustle number 6. The sixth and final side hustle is house washing. This is another service that most homeowners don't even know they need. House washing involves using a pressure washer to clean the exterior of a home, removing dirt, grime, and other debris. With some basic equipment and marketing skills, you can easily make $5,000 a month or more. There you have it, 6 boring side hustles that can actually pay you up to $5,000 a month. With the right skills, equipment, and marketing, you can turn any of these jobs into a successful and profitable business. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips on making money online and growing your business. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.